Hyecon, hygienic and energy-optimized conveyors. The Hyecon quick release increases effective cleaning by making belt release quick and easy and guaranteeing perfect belt tension every time. It's completely adjustable and flexible and can be tailored to any original equipment manufacturer requirements. Let's see how it works to reduce downtime during cleaning or belt replacement. Hyecon Quick Release is constructed in stainless steel and complies with the EHEDG certification for food safety. Hyecon, hygienic and energy-optimized conveyors.